Good morning, whoever's here. Hi. I'm getting ready so I'm not late. If you stay ready, you don't gotta get ready. Oh, geez. Oops. Alrighty, here we go. It's almost time. All right, let's get it. Good morning. Good morning. Gonna get this money. All right, guys. Here we go. We know the breakdown here on our watch list. We've got at the top the strength for the buys in the green over here. Apple is winning right now. Tesla is moving right now. I think we're going to be able to get to 496 next week if we are not going to do it today. Um, I have let's see. All right, IWM is pushing up. Remember, we don't do anything for the first 5 minutes, but I have some little sauce here, okay? And the sauce is I came up with this cute little scanner situation, and I noticed that what happens is that this shoots up really, really high for the day, and then it falls down. And so the first one on the list is Apple on my list. Apple, IWM, Tesla. They were the first four on Apple, IWM, Tesla were the first three to do that today. And as you can see, IWM is shooting to the top. So I'm wondering, this is a good barometer to be able to just scout at times. So I am looking at that. Remember, pull your charts up with me because there is a lag, of course. And at the end of the day, I want you guys to have the most accurate information possible. Um, I'm just here really to show you what's popping. So right now, gold is popping. IWM is popping. All right, let's see what we got going here. IWM just looks so tempting in the morning. You just want to grab it and go. But then it usually does this little directional flip, and then you're out here like, what the heck? What happened? So give it a few minutes before you jump in. Just breathe, take a sip of coffee, some tea, you know, Turn on a Christmas jam. I was playing some Christmas jams this morning. I love the Charlie Brown Christmas. Such a great Christmas thing to bring me back to a kid. What's your favorite Christmas song? Or are you a Scrooge? It's okay. I'm Scroogey sometimes. It's okay if you want to be a Scrooge. I get it. I get it. Let me see here. Let me put a heart here for you guys. Boop. All right, so let me see what we got. I'm gonna put my levels up here so that we know what we do. So we can see what is happening. All right. Okay. Let's do our levels. So we went to the previous week. Put our high at the one, our high at the bottom. Our low at the bottom. And then we've got our week for that. Come down here to we can do the 5 minute chart for people. And then we've got Tesla. So IWM is already shooting up strong. I see it going to the order block and it may pull down after that. Let's also do the same thing for Tesla. All right. We all love a good Tesla situation. I have my level up for Tesla from last week. So we are here approaching 495.61. We may or may not be able to make that today. But it looks like it's probably going to go down in the next week. It will pop. So, um, what I had here today was, let's see, Google, Palantir, XOM, perhaps may go high and then low. So let's see what we're saying here. But I don't know look solid for right now, but there is an order block. Beware. Okay? Beware. If it can break through this order block, it might be good to go because the order block is literally on the first, it's on every time frame. So that means that the sellers are heavy right there. So if you can't break above this, I would be really careful because it may come up and then go down. All right. So let's go to buy. Same thing, order block here. Right here at 679. So you could set 678 right now. So you have a safe place that you could possibly ride that up to that order block and then see the reaction to it. But let me tell you, on a lower time frame, this is heavy put right here. All right, on the weekly chart. So so that's the side of the chart there. All right. So let's just be careful. It could be, because I mean, this is a nice steady bar right here. So you could possibly get up here to 679, 680, but think about having your profit. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is financial fun. Okay. And good morning to everybody here. Is y'all still in a chatty mood? Tell me where you're at. But if you don't feel like you're in a chatty mood, like your most traders, like ourselves, we're pretty avoided, and we don't really want to talk. We just want to get that bread. That part. So right now, we've got our pullback for after our 5 minutes, and let's see what happens. So remember, I'm looking for it to come up here to the quarter block. It's pretty solid on moving level to level. So let's see what this one does. Why you don't ever want to jump in on this 5 minute bar, in case it does this pullback. That's what looks very strong, like, yep. So far, my little scanner was like, let's see what Apple's talking about. Gold, XLE, SPY, those seem to be some nice ones today. And if SPY goes down, gold typically goes up. All right, let's see. Where is our next order block for gold? And remember, when we talk about measured moves, that's a little cheat code. So we got here, if it goes below this line right here, I am looking to say stop loss right here. We do not want to go below this. No, don't want to go below this level. Measured move right here. So we are looking at a possible going to this level. If it cannot reach past that, it may go down. And remember, there's an order block right here. So pretty, you know, it looks like it will pretty probably go up for the day. Yeah, it's pushing through this order block right here is the next one. So I like gold. I don't know about you, but I'm liking gold if you wanted to check that out. Let me go back to my Tesla screen. Tesla is just hit the order block with the buyers and it's caught. So this is really interesting. So be careful. I want you to be able to get into a good move. So right now it's caught between these two buyers and sellers. So be careful here. So buy. Hey Haley. I wasn't delayed. I just had my email up. Put my email up over here. There we go. Buy looks good. We could probably ride that up until 679 if you're feeling bold. Remember, try to get $1. You can't get $1. Remember, this is the end of the year. Don't expect season blood from Eternus in the market at the end of the year. Not gonna happen. If you get a good move, it's like, whoa, where did that come from? So I do like buy to go into 679 if possible. I would like that. I like it so much that I'm entering in as soon as I get a green light to that. Because it's 9:40, I don't like to get into trades until about 9:45, 9:42, 9:45. Then I can make a decision how I want to go. But I like it. I'm also looking for flow. I do see Tesla calls pouring in, so there could be a nice little turnaround here for Tesla at this area. So let's just move on here and see what it does. 5 minutes as I move on it, bring it down here. All right, let's see what it does. Five, it's probably 679. I am waiting to see if Tesla wants to do a reverse. If it's just going to be grabbing all of its buyers at the bottom, it could possibly come to the swap and turn around. That would be a nice smooth play, to be honest with you, and I would love it. All right. I am in SPY, but again, what I'm hoping is it goes ahead to 679, I'll go ahead and take my profit. I'm not trying to be greedy. Let's go with that move. AMD, SMCI. I see IWM is doing good, but it also has a fall signal next to it. So I ain't trusting IWM for long, or spot for that matter. All right now, come on. I'm up 15% on my SPY contract. Nothing heavy. I do think that it could possibly hit that 679, and I will go ahead and exit out of there to grab some. All right, Tesla's turning around. There is a pin bar forming, but I would love to see what happens at 9:45. So this is pulling back the last 2 minutes of the 15 minutes. So that's always super important to look at. Okay, SPY. I'm liking it. I like it a lot. I wish I would have put more context on this one. I do see it going to the next order block. Tesla. All right, what we doing, Tesla? And if SPY tends to break through here, I wouldn't be opposed to adding more. That's actually SPY is definitely picking up leads. Let's get it. I'm up 45% on my contract. Let's get it. Where we at, guys? Are y'all doing good? Is this helpful? All right, it's hitting this level. I'm at 48% on my contract. Tesla looks like it is good. 65% on my contract on SPY. I'm taking profit off of this. I'm not opposed to getting in later. I'm probably gonna trade futures now while we're doing this. You know, SPY is a money printer, y'all. I don't know if you knew that. The SPY is a money printer. You catch the right move, boy. What? What we talking about here? SPX and SPY just bobbling away at the top. AMD, AMD. You guys check your charts for that. But SPY and SPX are still up at the top hanging out. I took my profit already. I'm not in anything. If I see a nice pullback and a push through this block, I may get back in. I just don't trust it, to be honest. But anything can happen in the market. You know, Trump can sneeze, and boom, you got $1 million. So, you know, all I know is I'm out. It's 9:46. I did good. I hope you guys did good. Let's go. Oracle looking nice. Let's see that. I don't have Oracle on my things. Let me type it in uh on my I only have really super ones that I trust, but I just typed in Oracle, so I don't know if it's gonna load up for me. Let's see. Let's just pull up Oracle. Oracle. Oh yeah, Oracle looks great. I might have to add her to it. You like those contracts, Lee? How they looking? Let's look at some Oracle contracts. What's Oracle talking about? Oracle contracts. They're not bad, guys. They're not bad. We're at $1.79 and got a nice little move up the order block. Oh, this looks good, Lee. Good call. I do not follow Oracle, but I have just added it on my YouTube list. Thank you for that. Good looking out. Oh, I didn't mean to say good locking out. Yes, Oracle is fantastical. See. Okay, let me see here. I like Oracle. Oracle is like it's probably gonna push all day. Or at least for another few dollars or so. Premium. Let's go. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of waiting for Tesla to pop back in and do its thing. The Oracle, I'd like that to that order block. Do these order blocks help? This is one of my favorite. Let's see. If you don't have Lux Algo and you're interested in some really good order blocks, market structure, zigzag breaker structure is so good. It is really like live time if you don't want to pay for those Lux Algo um, indicators. I wanted to share that with you. Just take off the zigzag line um, in the settings, and it really populates like real time. It's an awesome, awesome indicator. Hmm? Let's see what we got. All right, I'm gonna take a look at IWM for a second. Oracle since we'll go back. All right, so here's what my scanner is telling me, guys. Um, Avgo was added to trade current price above previous day. So that usually when a ticker does that, Avgo, I want you to see something. When it goes above the previous day, we're usually looking for a nice push, but again, everything is hitting these order blocks. Y'all gotta be careful with this order block stuff. I'm telling you, you see how it goes from literally the edge of the block down. Be careful, okay? It's strong, but also it needs to be on the other end of that order block for me to trust that it's gonna go higher. Okay. Um, Palantir. Palantir just hit highest high out of 10 bars. That's usually a good move. I try to look at this. It just broke above its last few highs. This is the last time it had a high. It just broke above that. So if it can hold above that, that's a nice little move right there. All right. And then here's our next level, the Palantir. So Palantir looks pretty nice, guys. I don't know about you, but I'm here for it. Palantir, Palantir. That's 51, 56. All right. But see, can hold that level. Now, when the house settles, it's like how it's like the foundation is like, wow. All right, I'm not. I'm not here for Palantir right now. Let's go back to Oracle. Oracle's pulling down. Buy though. Buy. Come on. When he just hit the 679 mark, so we may push. Buy may push. Tesla's going there now. Okay, y'all. Tesla is going there. If it can break up above that VWAP, we might have a good little push right there. It's in no man's land though. I'm not touching that. It looks good. It looks good, but still in no man's land. All right. I need to see if it's above VWAP for me to trust it. SPY, SPX, IWM still says fall, so I don't know what that's about. What is it? Yeah, IWM is going to really need to push past this for me to decide I want to invest my morning into that. Oh yeah, this okay, it's a free indicator called. Let me show you here. Market structure zigzag. I think if you type that in, it will come up for you. But let's see. Let's see if I can get a link to it. I got it. Copy link. Let me see if I can put the link in here, and you can copy it. All right, here we go. IBN, IWN. I needed to get across this high right here. It can do that. We're looking at rocket ships. You see what I mean about Tesla? I ain't fooling with Tesla. That's the thing. Y'all trying to squeeze the blood out of a turnip. I needed to go above here for me to trust it. And I need IWM to go above here. Because remember, it's not 10 o'clock yet. So the market's still trying to make its decision on life, what it just wants to do. So we got what's falling over here, and we got what's rising over here. See, this IWM thing is falling. Mm. But right now it's above VWAP, so I don't really care. I'm not messing with it until I see a nice cross below or push up above that. Dang it, that was necessary. Oh my goodness. No way, bro. All right, what did Amazon do this morning? Push down and went up. Apple. Oh, we got so much higher. And going back to five. See right here at this level, um, it's got to make a decision what it's going to do, and then it's got to worry about it. Okay, Tesla may be moving now, guys. Tesla may be pushing up. How's Oracle doing over there? No problem. No problem, Lee. Tesla hit its half of its measure move going down. I need to see it going back up. Let's see what AMD is. AMD really seems solid. Ooh, AMD. Okay, look at this, guys. We got a runner up to two. We could possibly get up to 220 today. Possibly. Now it's hitting this 700 moving average. I love these. This is where a lot of good information comes in here. AMD Rise. So I like AMD, guys. AMD pays. What I'm gonna get in AMD. Not financial advice, financial fun. I need to see what it is going to do here. Nice looking $44 contract. Looking good. I'm gonna grab a couple. Why not? My stop loss will be right here at 209. All right. Let me put up my levels here. See what we got. I did not play. These levels are so accurate. I did not play with them. All right. 0 at the bottom of the previous week. 1 at the high. So my hope is it gets up to 212 and I'll go ahead and send profit after that. But it just crossed that point 11, which is at half. And AMD does say rise for me, so I am so confident about that one. I like the strength. And Tesla is also reclaiming the VWAP. So I might go ahead and put in, if they can go ahead and hold above. But I do like AMD. Oracle is far away from the point of control, still looks strong, bouncing. Yeah, I'm away. I'm an AMD, y'all. I'm already up 19% on this contract. Let's get it. I like it. You see those bright green bars? I call them climb bars. I love them. They are full of high, juicy relative volume. Yes. Push, push, push. Up 28% on that. Let's go. I'm telling you, I love these little deals. Let's see, AMD come up on any of my, yep, AMD came up on my swing for today. All right, I'm gonna go ahead. I like it. Can we get to 212.35 AMD? Yes, up 44% on the contract. Let's go. Can we do it? Oh, stop. What is it saying? Okay, guys. We over here. I'm telling y'all everything I'm doing real time. I'm not even playing with you. Not even playing with you. I'm up 39%. All right, it pushed back hard off of that 22 level. So I'm gonna have to make a decision. I am making a decision here. I'm gonna watch what it does. With this bar right here, I'm still up. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my profit off of that 13%. Although I do, if it can stay above this, I may re-enter above that 22 level. That 22 level is the institutional level, and it gets really real over there. That's where all the little buyers are hanging out, deciding what they want to do with their life. And trust me, I'm okay with that. Decide what you want to do with your life before I involve my life with yours. Okay? Decide. Lee is my co-host, okay? Because he really over here letting me know what's going on with these other tickers he plays with. And I appreciate it. All right. AMD fell up off that list. As you can see, it is no longer hanging out. All right. What else we looking All right. We are still over at gold and SPX land. See what gold is talking about. See gold. One second, that's the pink. All right, gold. Tesla has not reclaimed it yet. They still debating on what they're going to do with their life as well. Measured move, just hit that half measured move. Okay. All right, come on, Tesla. Everybody wants to buy you. Everybody has been pouring calls into like crazy. I like today. Gold is looking good. Gold is looking splendiferous, if I must say so myself. Let me see something there. So AMD, IBIT, Stockstol, all of these popped up. Oh, gold. Look at gold. Oh, geez. Do we love gold or what? I'm loving. There's no word to block for gold. Oh, it's in it. So gold has a nice little, next little, spot to do it. All right, let's just level up the gold here. I like it. I do like gold. So we're gonna do a Fibonacci, this is 0, at the bottom of the previous week, and the 1 at the top, and then all right? Okay. Oh, I'm watching an episode of Monk right now, and they're talking about insider trading. And this lady literally she is a housekeeper. Yeah, so they're definitely cleaning up some jankiness and robbing the house cleaner. I think she got some insider trading information. Who would have thought? Did we attract that episode to us or what? I'm here for it. Gold, baby. Woo! Gold is looking so amazing. I can't even handle it. I'm really loving what we've got going. I hope this is helping y'all out here in the world. I'm definitely up and I'm definitely green. Gold is definitely doing its job. And what about IWM? I am up 70% on my gold contract, y'all. 72% on gold. Geez, what's gold futures looking like? That's the real question. Thing about gold though, it's all good, but sometimes it's just like it'll push and then it'll just get weird and just stay right there and you're like, okay, I'm not in it. So I have to like flip around like, is this just no, nothing happening? Sometimes I just don't have patience. I have no idea. I took my 72% off gold. Okay. I'm out of all positions. Where y'all at? All right, let's look. Flow is pulling in. Nvidia, Nvidia. Gold is still pushing. Nvidia just popped up on the chat on the scanner. It's about to hit the bar. So some calls are pouring in at this level. You know what I like to do? Ooh, okay, let's do Google. Come on, Lee. This is love. Let's go host it together. Our little radio show we got going. Google is fit. Yes. Google looks so good, guys. I can't even handle it. I've never traded Google. Can we do it today? Just to see? What y'all advice? Google is fantastically. Google is popping up on my list. I don't know if you can see this, but yep, heavy bullish power is loving. How far can Google go, guys? Google can go nice $3. See, this is a good play. I might put this in for a week out. Let's go. Still looking out, Lee. Love having more than one eye on here. Let's see. I don't like the prices. Let's get a couple. Why not? Say less. We're in. We're in Google. Nice big push. You see, I love these little baby ribbons that we got going on above the ribbons. Good looking out, Lee. Can I give you a heart? A trophy? A smile? A celebration? I don't even know. That feels good. Google's at the top. Gold. I love that. I need that too. My screens, why am I typing and talking? My screens are dedicated to this streaming. I can't see anything except orbs, obs, and my split up screen. So this is so great. Thank you, Lee. I am literally in Oracle right now. Wow, so my Google just got into profit. I'm gonna tell you this. We have to talk offline for this one. Um, but I'm gonna send you a screenshot really quick of a test I did yesterday, and Google was part of that test, and it's playing out as we speak. So I'm kind of blown right now. Sending you a text, Lee. This is nuts. Um, make sure I circle it. So you know what I'm talking about. This is the proper thing there. Nvidia is coming in with the calls right now too. All right, falling. Google is definitely, but I still think it's gonna go. I bought my contract out for next expiration. I like this. Mm-hmm. All right, I bet. What's I bet doing? I bet 50-33, and his Bitcoin about to start pushing up its own guys. I got a dud IBIT contract a couple days ago, and I'm I had to write it all the way down. I'm so sad. I probably should look at it now, but I can't. Okay, let's go back to the, yeah. Mm. All right, guys, 15 more minutes, and we have done amazing today. I must say, Lee, amazing. Thank you for your Oracle and Google call out. Perfect. I can't thank you enough for that. Look at this. What a thoughtful dude. Wow. You. All right. All right, guys. I really feel like we got our morning mood, to be honest. We did great today. And go ahead and have fun today, guys. It might be time to go to the beach. I will thug it out for the next 10 minutes to see if there's anything juicy coming up. Let me go back on gold. I love gold. Gold had a nice little move going up. Mm. Oh, I think Tesla might be pushing up today. Mm, there we go. Tesla just tapped on that bottom level, the 1.5. is the second time it's pushed at the bottom. Mm-mm-mm. What's Amazon doing? Gold is just fire. Amazon. Oh, dang. I don't know, man. I played Amazon in the past, and I just didn't feel like it gave me those bang for my butt that I was liking. I need to study that one a little bit more. Gold, I like. I think I'm like, you know what? I'm so afraid to do that. Okay. I'm definitely in gold now, but I'm gonna hold that till next week. I think it can get up to 400 easy and push up to 404. Yep, I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, XOM close above. I am out. And I like XOM. IWM. Google. Yes, Tesla doing its best to pop that. Google has a way to go for sure. 307, 309. Yeah, I like Google. I'm here for it. Lee, that was a great call. We are all we got. Yeah. All right. Well, I think we're good. I'm holding Google till next week. I will give y'all an update on that. And then I think we did great today. Go have fun, play, go back, get some presents for the people you love or not, or some coal if they haven't been nice. And I hope you've been nice, not naughty all year, or maybe just a little bit naughty because you have to be balanced for sure. And anyway, it was great to have you here. Even if it was one, two, three, or a million, I'm always grateful for y'all popping through. And I will talk to you soon. And we out.